Emakoskati bantu bengosi mvunankulu emabandla ekweluleka likhulu lijaji lelikhulu lisekela landvunankulu indvuna tembuso baqondzisi nemalunga onke eParliament labamele emave kuleli lobukwesigotsi salapha ngahoho timenyo letibalulekile nanonke bekunene ibhodi kanye nalabasebentako lababukile imanagement nato tonke tisebenzi talapha esibhedlela se-Ezulwini sinivusela kakhulu bekunene.
Your Majesty, the Indlovukazi, Emakosikati, Your Royal Highness, the Prime Minister, Councillors, Chiefs, the Chief Justice, the Deputy Prime Minister, Honourable Ministers, Presiding Officers and members of both houses of Parliament, Your Excellencies, members of the Diplomatic Corps, the Regional Administrator for the whole region, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, and also the board, management and staff of Ezulwini Private Hospital, I greet you all here at Ezulwini.
Bekunene be akusukuma langa mangaki besile e-Look Commission la khona siyobusisa umtholampilo namuhla sila Ezulwini sikna khona lapha sito busisa wona umtholampilo ukuthi kuyinjabulo ukuthi sibe lapha kuto kwati ukuthi sibusise lo msebenzi ebekunene.
Ladies and gentlemen, not long ago, we had assembled in such a fashion to inaugurate the Look Commission at Sitselo. And here we are today, here at Ezulwini, to do the same inauguration of the Ezulwini Private Hospital. It gives me immense joy to be here today to improve our health care in the kingdom.
Sithatha lithuba kunemukela nonke bekunene kulo msebenzi wanamuhla nabo lababuya ngaphandle nabo sithi abativele bemukelekile bekunene.
We take this opportunity in welcoming you all into this great event here today. And my special welcome goes to those that are from without our borders here today.
Bekunene lesibhedlela lesibona ko lesto sibusisa ngomsebenzi lona lo sukunyiswe ngiwo ligatsha njoba lapha kethi sine Eswatini Med sithokoda ukuthi ngibo labawo phakamisile bawusebenta lo msebenzi ebekunene.
We are gathered here today through the great efforts and much strides of Eswatini Med, who have put together all their resources in enabling this great occasion which we are here to inaugurate today.
Lo msebenzi lona ngiyawukhumbula emuva ubonalisa ukuthi njoba sebalandile nemlandvo ukuthi naba bodokotela labadzala laba uhlanganisa kuye kube into lenhle ukuthi kubonakala ukuthi la sisuka khona labahlanyela inhlanyelo size sibe la sikhona khona namhla bobani ebekunene.
I vividly recall and bring to memory the establishing years of these Eswatini Med. As you have heard here, the founding members have been announced here, which is a good thing indeed, recognizing those that have established this great vision.
Le sikwama sike saphathwa ngema structures lahlukahlukene lapha nalapha kwabonala ukuthi nakwakho lesikhoma seSwatini Med nalaba bayasiphatha njengoba inhlala yonke lesikuthumisa ukuthi sokuhambela iminyaka solo siphethwe lesikhwama solo sikhona sigcinekile siphatheke nakahle ebekunene.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm delighted to note that this fund has gone through various hands and leadership which were taking good care of this fund all these years. To date, we are gathered here under another dispensation and leadership structure who are well taking care of this great fund, Eswatini Med.
Bekunene njoba senimvile newe ukuthi lesikhwama sesikhulile njoba lesikhwama siye simeme onke eMswati esigabeni sekutheni lo lofuna uthola umtholambilo nasekubonalisa ukuthi impilo selikhuni akwadi kusheshe afike afinyelele etibhedlela sesikhulile ke lesikhwama nina bekunene njoba sivile ukuthi sibuthi imali le lapha kubo 3 billion lokuhle kakhulu ukuthi imali yalesikhwama sikhulile kakhulu ebekunene.
The Eswatini Med Fund is indeed a great fund that helps to assist as a medical aid or health insurance, if you please, for those that could find themselves needing medical services. We are happy to note that Eswatini Med has also collected in the tune of over 3 billion emalangeni in revenue collection over the years.
Loku sithumisa wona eMswati bekunene ngoba ngaphandle kwawo ukuthi angenele aparticipate akokhe ajike lesivivaneni lesikhwama lesi nga asisiko la sikhona khona kepha ke ngeke ukuthi sive sinaye edoloqina naku sakhona kukhokha sajikijele lesivivaneni namhla sesakhekile lesikhwama siyabonakala ukuthi siqinile kakhulu bekunene.
We applaud the nation for their dedication and commitment in making contributions to Eswatini Med. This has actually grown the fund to what it is today, and the Mswati deserve an applause for the commitment in contributing to this fund.
Bekunene le mali ke njengoba ifike kube nemabandla la ikhathako njengoba kuba neboard kube nemanagement kube nalaba sebendako siyabadumisa kakhulu ngoba imali yesive kuyigcina kahle kuyinto lemqoka kakhulu lokho bekunene nabantu bajikijela esivivaneni bangabe sebeva ngantinza batabolosihlina usengene bolosihlina kepha kasiphatheke kahle lesikhwama sibonakale nokuthi siba netithelo njengoba namhlanje sila sitobona leto tithelo bekunene.
We take this time as well to commend the board and management of Eswatini Med from initiation of this fund. It is indeed important that the people who have been tasked with the responsibility to oversee these funds would lead and make sure that they prudently keep the funds and make these funds viable as they have here today.
Bekunene sekungakhuthata eMswatini lawo langakalithola ithuba esigabeni sokuthi angenele lesikhwama lesi la kubonakala khona ukuthi nasudzinga umtholampilo kukhanye ukuthi uba nelusito lolukhona lelitawuqhankiswa ngiso lesikhwama saka Eswatini Med kuthi ke sesiyawakhuthatha eMswati onke ukuthi labo labasangakalithola ithuba ile kuthi babe ingcenye yalomsebenzi babe naye edoloqina ngaso lesikhwama ukuthi imali yabo labatayi hlanyela lapha angeke ilahleke bekunene.
Ladies and gentlemen, we encourage Mswati to come and join Eswatini Med, especially those that have not yet got an opportunity to contribute into this fund, where you must be assured that this fund is well taken care of and has all the best of interest for Mswati at heart. We therefore encourage the nation to utilize such services at their disposal.
Bekunene njoba ngakubonakala umsebenzi lomuhle kangaka ukuthi ke na isikhwama sigcineke kahle kuma khona netithelo namuhla ke sila sitobona letithelo letibonala ukuthi sesibhedlela se referral lebe kusolo sikhuluma ngaso kangwane ukuthi kufanele kube ne referral seyiqhamukile ke eSwatini Med naso sibhedlela la kubonakala khona ukuthi ke sekwakhiwa i-referral lengiyo nembala ngoba nasihamba lapha kubonakala usicha i-referral isibili bekunene.
Today we are here indeed to see that Eswatini Med has grown in leaps and bounds and has actually brought about our national dream of having a referral hospital. This great hospital, I can attest and testify that it is indeed a referral hospital of stature. The equipment that I saw in the hospital gives me the great assurances at heart that indeed we have what we have been dreaming for.
Bekunene nasihamba lapha ngekhathi sibukile nale machine ibonakala lokuthi ivele iseqopheleleni lelisetulu mpela sibili yakhombisa ukuthi njengoba sikhuluma nge-first world standard nasikhuluma nge-first world standard nasifika kuTemphilo livele Eswatini lifikile njengoba le missionary kanje ivele ikulelo standard leso loya ungena khona nje utaba assured ukuthi ha noma ngena kude lokutakwempeka kanjani ebekunene.
Whilst touring the facility, I was met with first world status equipment and machinery in that hospital. I am so confident here, standing before you today, that whoever will visit this great hospital will be given the first world-class treatment, and you should not doubt and not be afraid as you come into this great hospital.
Bekunene le sibhedlela kuba mnanzi na ungena esibhedlela usina umbona nje le lama facilities nalo mphefumulo usheshushe ukuthi ngidawuphila la ngoba kuba risky lo ukuthi na ungena esibhedlela uvela usole nje usangena ukuthi hawu ngabe ngidawubuyela yini ekhaya.
I must say, ladies and gentlemen, that I've been quite pleased at the ambience and opulence that prevails within the Ezulwini private hospital. The beauty of the hospital encourages and uplifts one's spirit even as he or she anticipates being treated by the doctors. For indeed, it is important that what you see with your eyes at the hospital must be uplifting to your spirit and not put your life at risk based on what you see with your naked eyes.
Bekunene lemishina lelangekhathi ivele isesigabeni lesingeso ngike ngathi hamba dibhedlela nasi semaveni letibonala ukuthi letibhedlela disezingeni elisetulu sibili ngibuka nale mishina njoba lapha nje sikhanzile bo CT scan bo MRI bo anescopic nako konke leyo mshini ngingayibala imiyendi kakhulu bekunene ke le mshina iyabonakala cha ingiyo mbamba le mshini.
The equipment that I saw in the facility is indeed top class. I have visited many hospitals and healthcare facilities all over the world. What I have seen here is equal to what I have seen in other parts of the world. I did see MRIs and anescopic and other machines that I saw in there that do tell me that indeed we have arrived at first world status.
Bekunene le mishina lena kufuneka sibohle sivakashela sibantu sikutayelele ukuthi singayisabe emshini sohle sihlola ngoba le mshina iyakhona ku detector kugula leqaleni kungakhanyiwe ukuthi kumbe sewufika bodokotela sebathi hawu sekude nalesingakwenda sekuyawuba ngomdali totawulekelela. So le mshina lena ke idasilekelela ukuthi sikhone ukuthola emakhambi umkhuhlane usasukuma phansi bekunene.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is important that we do not fear visiting healthcare facilities, especially being taken into these huge machines that are available here at Ezulwini Private Hospital. The machines that are there help in the early detection of various diseases that can be early, when detected early, can save your life. Not to expose yourself to sayings that are normally said by doctors that only God will now help you. But if you allow yourself to be investigated and diagnosed through these machines, then early detection of your disease and early treatment will be afforded to you.
Ngiyawati ke Mswati ukuthi wayakuthanda vele kuyawuhlola ngoba nasetindvumbeni sikutayele kushona khona sifike sikhulumise bongogo siyavuma kuzo asenisho ukuthi nginani lapha uthi kukhombe ukuthi awunanga ukugula nanangu kuthi nalapha kunalabanye bongogo siyavuma bekunene kepha ke bayimshina ke lena lese ikhuluma ko nase ubakuhlolile njengoba iyakhomba nokuthi onanga bekunegula kunje kanjena tifo dabobabe dabomake konke kusezingeni lelisedulu kuyasho ukuthi nje kutempilo la kangwane sesivele siadvancele kakhulu ebekunene.
I know that Mswati are accustomed to visiting traditional healers in their various huts where they provide their services. I want to assure you here today that in this facility, we do have also equal to traditional healers. We have these machines and the specialists that are obtaining in this Ezulwini private hospital that will provide you with top-notch health services, which are going to be well attending to women and men equally, treating all diseases that we have in the country.
Bekunene nalenga kuthumisa nasihamba lapha odokotela nabonesi nestaff sonke lesebenza khona lapha sibonile umdlandla ukuthi usedulu kakhulu ngoba sibhedlela lesinjena singaba nema equipment langeyo kepha nakude kahle labo labatasiphatha kahle basimanage kahle bakhona kuyisebenzisa lemshina kungagcina kungabe lusito lolungakanani kepha ke nangisahamba lapha ngibonile ukuthi le team le setupekile ivele ise standardini lesingiso kuyadumiseka lokho ebekunene.
As I was touring the hospital, I saw a highly dedicated and motivated staff. This indeed inspired me and encouraged me to note that Mswati are indeed in well and good hands in this facility. It is very important that when we have such facilities, we also have equally specialized and top-class people who are going to afford us the health care that we need.
Bekunene nalokuhle ngaso lesibhedlela ngoba sekwatayileka lapha ukuthi nakusetshenzwa awusetshenzwa kusuka ngabo 8 ngabo 5 sekuyavalwa lapha bavele bayasho ukuthi bavele basebenze 24 hours 7 ngoba umkhuhlane ungafika noma ngangisiphi isikhathi lokumqoka ke ukuthi nembala lo ukuthi basebenza no 24 hours 7 uyinvo lenhle kakhulu lena sayithumisa lokusho kona ukuthi bantu noma ngabe banemkhuhlane noma ngiliphi ilanga bayakwazi ukuthi nasi bafikile esibhedlela bawuthola kunakeleleka lokungiko ebekunene.
I have also been pleased to note that this hospital is not an 8 to 5 clinic that we normally see in various places, but this is a 24-hour, 7 days a week facility that ensures that at whatever stage or time of the day where you might be feeling ill, you can confidently wake up and rush yourself to hospital, and you will find medical practitioners who are ready willing and able to receive you and give you the health attention that you so desire.
Bekunene na loku thokotisako kwadi ngalesibhedlela ukuthi njoba sive siyakhula imikhuhlane iyakhula kubona ukuthi lesibhedlela sawukhona nikuhlangabedana nedidingeko eMswati nasaka nemikhuhlane lokusho labangibikele kona lapha sisahamba lapha bashilo ukuthi lesibhedlela sinaso sikhala sekuthi sikhuliswe ngesikhathi lesifanele nasekuhlanganiswe kahle tonke tinto ngakuthokotela kakhulu kenaloko ukuthi into lenhle lena ngoba imikhuhlane nesive siyanza lokusho ukuthi ngesikhathi naku shinja simo nathi nalesibhedlela kufuneka sihambisane nalesimo lesitabe sesihlangabetana naso ebekunene.
I've been pleased to hear and also see that this hospital has also got room for expansion, as we are all aware that as life goes on, needs continue to increase and more other needs become a necessity for us to be able to respond accordingly. I've been glad that the hospital is also in the right path, allowing change and also allowing itself to grow at the right time. When that time comes, this hospital will be able to meet every other need in future.
Bekunene lo msebenzi lona lo mhle kangaka bangibikele nalapha ukuthi unase kuhlanganiswe konke umsebenzi wekuthi njoba bekwakhiwa lesakhiwo uphinze kufakwe nale equipment konke lokhu ku amount la ku 400 million emalangeni bekunene lokuyinto lenhle kakhulu kubonakala ukuthi sikhwama la kithi kangwane sesinetikhwama leti strong setiyakhona ukukhokha bo 400 million kwakhiwa dibhedlela etinjengaleti bekunene.
I have been informed that the construction and the equipping of this hospital amounted over 400 million emalangeni. I am glad to note that in this kingdom, we do have funds that are strong enough to release funds as great as 400 million and still feel like life goes on. This is indeed appreciated, and we are indeed grateful to you, Eswatini Med.
Bekunene njoba sibonakala lesikhwama ukuthi nembala sibe ngilapha kangangwane kuphela kude ngisho nalokubuya ngaphandle kubonalisa ukuthi abakangwane konke sebathi khokhela kuyasho ukuthi eMswati asavele inside asayikhombile ukuthi ema project ayobita bo 400 million ayobita bo 1 billion bo malini sesita ukhokha la kangwane sihambe sosebenza bekunene.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ezulwini Private Hospital has emulated before everyone here today that a local fund is able to release over 400 million emalangeni. I now have faith as well that other institutions locally here are going to emulate same from the Eswatini Med and are going to utilize funds up to the tune of 500 million or even 1 billion emalangeni will be sourced locally for projects such as these in the kingdom.
Bekunene lesibhedlela ke sesithula kibo bonke labawusinakelela nabawusisebenzisa ukuthi nasi isibhedlela saka First World lesisha lesitoba thulela sona sikholwa ukuthi sive sawusebenzisa nabo bonke labawufika lapha bawusiphatha sibe sihle lesibhedlela sikhone usitha titukulwane netitukulwane letiyawuvela bekunene.
Today, ladies and gentlemen, I hereby present this great facility to the entire nation to be well taken care of for the use of future generations and for the preservation of health in the kingdom.
Bekunene singasho lo mtholampilo lona ungetetela kutembilo njoba live la kaNgwane litibeke embili tembilo kubonalisa ukuthi nasikhuluma ngema budget nje kuqala temfundo bese kulandzela tempilo ngoba live liyabona ukuthi sive lesifundzile nesive lesiphephile siphilile engatini live lingathuthuka kakhulu kutemnotho lo msebenzi lona ke noma ubonalisa ukuthi uligatsha lelinye kepha ungetetela kuyo yonke lemisebenzi yelive yekuthuthukisa tempilo lokukuhle kakhulu ko ebekunene.
Ladies and gentlemen, this project here today adds on to the many other healthcare facilities that are prevailing or obtaining in the kingdom. As you may know that the kingdom has actually prioritized health services in the nation. As you may know that in our budgets, we have number one, it's education, and number two, budget goes to health services. For we believe that an educated nation is indeed a nation that will be able to keep our health services to the exact notch that we so want to have. So we want to also thank this facility for joining into other health services in the kingdom.
Lo msebenzi walesibhedlela siyakholwa ukuthi uyawuniketa natho logcina nasikhanga bosomabhizinisi ngoba inqumbi yabosomabhizinisi labafuna kuto investor even into letinye labatibutako baye babute ngetembilo ukuthi itembilo tiyakhona yini ukucoverisha singavele sisho ngathi logcina njoba ema facilities asakhona lapha kithi eSwatini sibala naso lesibhedlela lesinamhla lesitosibusisa ekutheni labo labangaqhamuka sebayaba nathologcina ngaphandle kokuthi kutabe kusitakala eMswati ngisho nebekuhamba labawufika bangafika as ama tourists bafike as bangama investors bonke bayolithola lisito lelifanele bekunene.
I do hope and believe that this hospital shall inspire investors to come to the kingdom. I am aware that in most investment meetings, the question lingers on how are the healthcare facilities in the kingdom. Now they will know that our healthcare services are top notch, and tourists and investors equally will come freely and confidently in our kingdom.
Bekunene bebangiqelile ke ukuthi nembala njoba lesibhedlela sisisha ushothi ngumntwana lomusha lotalwako ekutheni ngisiphe ligama lesitawubonala ukuthi sesitaba ligama lesitawuvele sathi wena ngaso bekunene.
I have been requested to name this newborn baby. As you all know that a newborn baby must be named. And I am here today to christen and name this newborn baby.
Bekunene ligama ke lengifunile ukuthi ngidowetha lo mntwana lomusha lo talwako ngithithe kutaba ngusithelo Semphilo Ezulwini Private Hospital.
The name that I give to this great facility here today is Sitselo, Semphilo, Ezulwini Private Hospital.
Bekunene sesingabonga konke labantu emalungiselelo emsebenzi wanamuhla nako konke lesekwendekile nalabasinanzisele ngemsebenzi nabo bonke labafaka sandla ekutheni umsebenzi ube impumelelo netethulo lentethulile nato siyabonga kakhulu kuthi kwanze la nithethe khona ebekunene.
May I now take this opportunity in thanking all those that have made this event the success that it has been, and for all those that have contributed in various ways in ensuring that this event is the success it is today. My greatest thanks as well goes to all the gifts that have been given to us. I pray that Almighty God may bless you for those gifts.
Bekunene se kusala ukuthi ngisale ngivele ngisimemetela ukuthi Sitselo Semphilo Ezulwini Private Hospital sevele sivuliwe ngokwemthetho bekunene.
Ladies and gentlemen, it now remains for me to announce that Sitselo Semphilo Ezulwini Private Hospital is officially opened under my hand here today.
Siyabonga uNkulunkulu asibuse sonke bekunene.
I thank you. May God bless us all. Bayethe wena phakathi wena ungangezindaba zakamabhoko uyimbubu yesabe kudle emathole ezinyathe bayethe